back. Here we are today. We are speaking legal with the man, Will Worsham.
Did you forget my name for a second?
Well, just maybe for a second.
For just a second? That's okay.
All I got to do is look on the invoice.
Right, that's right.
All right, so now the governor says we got to stay at home.
Mm-hmm.
Statewide stay-at-home order just came out.
Right.
And we had one in Greene County and in Springfield. So can you explain the difference between the two and maybe about the exemptions as well?
Sure. So the Missouri order essentially, in many ways, supersedes the local order. So now everywhere in Missouri is under at least the same stay-at-home order from Missouri. Stay-at-home Missouri is what they called it. Now, if local municipalities enact a stricter restriction, then you still have to abide by those too. But everybody in Missouri is under the same main order, and there are a lot of exemptions. But before we focus straight on exemptions and who's exempt and who isn't exempt, let's talk about what it means to be exempt or non-exempt. So what the order says is all Missourians, or actually everyone in the state of Missouri, so even if you're visiting, you shall avoid leaving your home, is actually what the order says. Unless you need to go to get food or health care, or you need to go to work, is actually one of the exemptions, or outside activities. Now, outside activities, you still have to maintain social distance and avoid social gatherings of 10 or more. So that's what you stay home unless you have to go to work, have to go to get food, and if you have to go out, you have to obey social distancing and social gathering restrictions. Now, grocery stores are differently limited. Retail outlets are limited differently. It's not a 10-person rule. It's actually they're limited by a percentage of their square footage, and it's all lined out in the order. If they're a smaller store, they can have up to, I think, 25% of their fire code. If they're a larger store, they can have up to 10%.
So is that why Walmart is changing their procedures?
So Walmart is keeping their social distance in place, but the reason you're having to line up to get into those stores is they're limited on the amount of people they can allow into their store as opposed to what it used to be. So Walmart's a big store. They can only have 10% of what would be allowable under their fire code in their store at any one time. But here's where I think people really have a big misunderstanding. People think, well, a non-exempt business has to shut down. Well, they don't. That's not what the order says. The order says exempt businesses don't have to comply with the social distancing and social gathering rules. An exempt business has to. So if you are a business like yours, like mine, even though we are exempt, if we weren't, because we can still conduct our business by and have less than 10 people, and we can maintain our social distance of 6 feet, we can still work. Our business can still be open. So even a non-exempt business can be open as long as it has to maintain the social distancing rules, and it has to maintain the social gathering rules. Exempt businesses are exempt from those rules. And then, of course, there's you need to stay home rule. That's just the general good advice. You have to stay home. So it's a little murky. It's a little confusing, but the idea is stay home unless you have to get out. If you do have to get out, obey the social distancing and obey the social gathering limitations.
Right. It's all about protecting your neighbor.
Right.
You know,
and I've seen some people object a little bit about, hey, the masks don't do any good because you can still breathe in a virus through the mask because they're small. Listen, it's not about you.
It's about your neighbor.
It's about your neighbor. You wear the mask in case you're infected and don't know it. It prevents you from expelling the droplets.
Right.
They get caught in the mask so you don't make somebody else sick. So let's wear the masks and slow the spread.
Good information. I'm going to try to abide by all that. It changes all the time, but good information. We'll be right back.